guys, today I am going to film a video for you. Okay, I thought I'd just film like me getting ready. Okay, I've already put on my foundation, my concealer, and my brows. So I'm just going to take my Huda palette, which is my favorite palette right now. Okay, I'm taking this musk color. It's like a beige color and running it through my crease as a transition color. Okay, next, so I'll be taking this color right here. It's called Eden and running it through the crease as well. Next, I'll be taking this amber color and running it through the outer corner just to darken it up. Okay, with the same blending brush, I'm going to take a little bit more of amber and running it through the crease. With the same brush, I'm going to take this Oud color, O-U-D, and then running it through the outer corner again just to darken it up. And dragging it a little bit towards the lid. Okay, so I really want to do pop of color on the lid. I'm going to be using this Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow in the color Kitten Karma. Taking this brush. Brush and taking this same amber color and then just tapping around it to kind of just blend it in. I'm using the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. A little tip I like to do is take this little insert I get with the lashes or any type of like paper with a sharp edge, and you just put it right here, and it helps you to do like a really straight line like that, and then you can just build on that. Line, I take the other end of the eyeliner and then just tight line my eye. Make sure everything is colored in and you don't see any pink from your eye. Okay, next I'll be applying some mascara with this Eye Black Magic Mascara. But first, I'll go ahead and curl my lashes. I'll be using these Double Up Wispies from Ardell and using this Tarte Pro eyelash glue. And just gonna run some mascara through the bottom lashes. I'll be taking some bronzer, this Hoola bronzer, this angled brush here to bring some color back into my face. Along my jawline. Now I'm going to contour a little bit of my nose just to look it a little smaller. Just some highlight. I am using this Becca in Opal. Of my brow, a little bit more highlight under the brow bone, and in the inner corners, and also a bit on the bridge of my nose, on the tip. I'm going to go with this Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Driver's Seat. But first I'm going to line my lips with the Milani Nude Lip Liner. Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink. Big old brush. Blush brush. I think I went a little too heavy with the highlight. Blend it out a little. So makeup is complete. I'm just gonna go brush my hair and I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay, so here is the final look. This top is from Forever 21 and these shorts are from Jeans Warehouse. These earrings are from Forever 21. We are at the Cheesecake Factory. You know what you're gonna get?
No.
Like, look at this menu. It's so big. What'd you get?
Shepherd's Spot. Yummies. What you got?
Steak tacos.
Steak tacos. Looks good.